English Shorthand Advanced Physiography Section 5. Be ready. Start. I have received, in other respects, in reply. We have received, almost certain, just been, just received, last week, last month, last year, most probably, must be, next week, there must be, you must be, you must not be, very please indeed, in fact, in point of fact, telegraph office, worthwhile, in the manner, and in like manner, and in the same manner, and in the same manner as, in this manner, next month, this month, as far as possible, as much as possible, as soon as possible, as well as possible, as if it were possible, just possible, between them, foundation stone, one another, towards one another, industrial life. I hope you are satisfied, and the contrary cannot be considered. Fully for consideration, fully considered, further considered, further consideration. I have concluded, in conclusion, into consideration, it is considered, it may be considered, little consideration, must be considered, necessary conclusion, necessary consequence, ought to be considered, satisfactory conclusion, shall be considered, shall be taken into consideration, should be considered, some consideration, take or taken into consideration, that conclusion, unsatisfactory conclusion, we have concluded, were considered, which will be considered, which will be taken into consideration. Stop.